Do you want to make money on Fiverr but feel uncomfortable showing your face? Maybe you're an introvert, or you simply prefer to keep your identity private. Well, the good news is you don't need to show your face to build a successful freelance career on Fiverr. There are countless opportunities on this platform where you can earn great money while staying behind the scenes. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 ways to make money on Fiverr without the need for face-to-face interaction or even putting yourself on camera. Whether you're an artist, writer, or tech enthusiast, there's a niche for everyone. Let's dive in. 1. Freelance writing and copywriting. First up, let's talk about one of the most popular ways to make money on Fiverr without showing your face: freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, this is an excellent way to make a steady income. Whether you're writing blog posts, product descriptions, website content, or even creating email campaigns, freelance writing allows you to work from the comfort of your home while staying completely behind the scenes. Writing doesn't require you to be on video or interact face-to-face with clients. Instead, you can communicate entirely through messages, and all you need to focus on is producing high-quality content that resonates with your client's target audience. Writing is also one of the most versatile niches, so you can cater to various industries from fashion to tech and everything in between. As you gain more experience, you can increase your rates and take on more specialized projects, like SEO content or technical writing. The key is consistency and always improving your skills over time to stand out in the competitive market. For example, if you're just starting, consider writing simpler blog posts or website content before gradually diving into more advanced projects, like white papers or case studies. This will help you build credibility and attract long-term clients, setting you up for a sustainable freelance career. 2. Virtual assistant (VA) services. Another great way to make money on Fiverr without showing your face is by offering virtual assistant services. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and great at multitasking, becoming a VA could be the perfect niche for you. Virtual assistants are in high demand because small business owners and busy entrepreneurs often need help with day-to-day tasks such as managing emails, organizing calendars, booking appointments, and performing data entry. The best part about being a VA is that you don't need to be on video calls all the time. Most of the work can be done through emails, messaging, and task management systems like Asana or Trello. You can even work with clients across various time zones and set your own schedule. To start, it's important to clearly define your services on your Fiverr profile. Start small, maybe with basic administrative tasks, and as you gain experience and build your reputation, you can gradually offer more specialized services like social media management or content scheduling. The flexibility of being a VA means you can work remotely, set your own hours, and take on as many clients as you feel comfortable with. In this niche, your ability to stay organized and manage multiple tasks efficiently will make all the difference. It's also important to be proactive. Clients appreciate VAs who can anticipate needs and offer solutions before being asked. Over time, you can even niche down into specialized VA roles like real estate support or bookkeeping. This niche is perfect if you want a career that balances independence with helping others succeed. 3. Graphic design. If you're creative and enjoy working with design tools, graphic design is another excellent way to make money on Fiverr without showing your face. Whether it's creating logos, branding materials, website graphics, or social media posts, businesses are constantly looking for quality designs to represent their brands. You don't need to show your face to make a significant impact as a graphic designer. All you need is a solid portfolio that showcases your work. To get started, make sure to offer a variety of design services from logos to banners and focus on creating visually appealing work that communicates the brand's identity clearly. A standout portfolio is key to attracting your first clients, so make sure your Fiverr profile includes your best work, whether it's from personal projects or work you've done for friends or local businesses. As you build more experience, consider offering unique design packages that meet the specific needs of your clients. Also, don't be afraid to invest in the right tools, like Adobe Creative Suite, if you're serious about design. As you gain more experience, you can offer more advanced services like website or app design. Building long-term relationships with clients can help you get repeat work, so always focus on delivering high-quality designs and excellent communication. The beauty of graphic design is that you can work with a wide range of clients, from startups to well-established businesses, which helps ensure a steady stream of projects. 4. Voiceover artist. If you have a unique or clear voice, voiceover work could be an incredibly profitable way to earn money on Fiverr without showing your face. Voiceover artists are needed for a wide variety of projects, including animated videos, advertisements, podcasts, audiobooks, and video games. This is a fantastic way for introverts to thrive in the freelancing world because it requires no face-to-face interaction, just your voice. The great thing about voiceover work is that you can do it completely remotely, and all you need is a good microphone and a quiet recording environment. Start by offering basic voiceover services like narration for videos or podcasts, and as you gain experience, you can specialize in more niche markets such as character voices for animations or voices for corporate training videos. It's also important to create a demo reel to showcase your voice and range. This will help you attract potential clients who need your specific style. To really stand out, invest in good quality audio equipment. A professional microphone and soundproof recording space can make a huge difference in the clarity of your voice and the overall quality of your work. As your skills improve, you'll be able to raise your rates and take on higher-paying voiceover gigs. Whether it's a commercial, a podcast intro, or a character in a video game, there's always demand for unique and skilled voiceover artists. 5. SEO Specialist. The fifth and final way to make money on Fiverr without showing your face is by becoming an SEO, search engine optimization, specialist. SEO is a crucial service for any business looking to increase their visibility on search engines like Google. As more businesses move online, the demand for SEO specialists is growing rapidly, making it a perfect opportunity for anyone interested in digital marketing. The job of an SEO specialist involves analyzing websites, researching keywords, optimizing content, and building backlinks to improve a site's search engine ranking. The great thing about SEO is that it can all be done remotely without the need for face-to-face interaction. You can communicate with clients via messages and deliver results-driven work based on data and performance metrics. This allows you to work from anywhere and manage multiple clients at once, which is perfect for freelancers looking for flexibility. To get started in SEO, familiarize yourself with tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. As you learn and refine your skills, you can specialize in areas like local SEO, on-page optimization, or technical SEO. The more successful campaigns you run, the more your Fiverr profile will gain visibility, leading to more clients and better-paying gigs. SEO is a growing niche, and with the right strategies, you can build a long-term freelance business that doesn't require showing your face or interacting in person. Now that you know the top 5 ways to make money on Fiverr without showing your face, it's time to start your freelancing journey. Whether you're into writing, design, voiceovers, SEO, or virtual assistants, Fiverr offers endless opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your home, without the need for face-to-face interaction or appearing on camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with anyone you know looking to start freelancing, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to grow your online career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.